Hello everyone, my name is Hanan Bashir. I am currently pursuing aerospace engineering from IIT Bombay. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the course CS224, which is my minor, and I'm going to give the overview regarding the course syllabus till the midterm exam, which is on 22nd. Let's begin. The syllabus starts from a finite sequence of numbers. So before that, we need to understand finite sequence of numbers is implicated on which topic. So it is implemented on the sliding window protocol. This is the networking strategy where packets are sent in a collection, and after they are received, then acknowledgement is sent back to the sender, and then corresponding to every packet and another packet is sent. If an acknowledgement is missed, then the packets can be resent. So the finite sequence of number addresses the issue what if a packet in between is not sent, and newer packets has to be sent to get accommodated in place of that single missing packet. So we need to send at least two times the server window size of this of number of packets for transmitting all the packets properly. And the concluding remarks on the sliding window is that it is a reliable delivery, and it's a frame sequence ordering and flow control, controlling the rate which sender sends the frame. And this part is skipped, the implementation of sliding window protocol. Now let's begin with the direct shared links, the shared media. So in most of the scenario, just we know that the medium is shared between various receivers and senders. So these networks can be created using various strategy. So let's see what all strategies we can implement. So using a switch network. So a switch network involves a local network called LAN, where variety of switches are used and they're co-migrated along each other, so that a switch can communicate with another switch and send the message received from another switch. Then this is a star topology network strategy where a single router or switch in between is used to join all the receivers and senders which are connected to it. It is able to receive and send to any two receiver and senders. For the scenario, if you have few computers, then the reliable network should be this star topology. And if it is more, then we should go for the switch network, because you can see this cannot be scaled at higher level. Then token rings. So what is exactly a token ring? So, token ring can be assumed as a strategy where if there are multiple people in the room, then we will create a rule such that the person who has the token in his hand will be able to speak at the time, and he can address anyone in the room. So, the same strategy is used by the computers as well, where a token packet is received by a particular computer or a server, which can send the message through this entire ring, and then it will target the particular message to a receiver, which will receive the message, and then token is passed on to the next computer in line. Then polling is the same strategy as a token. How it is different? The difference is that instead of giving a token, the computers are in a single line where the computers are given chance to speak once their chance turns up. Then this is bus topology. Like we saw the star topology, here bus topology involves a single link where multiple computers share the same link from the single wire which is coming out. And it is no longer used because, as you can see, there are high chances of trafficking in this formation. Then Ethernet, CSP